Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create an X-shaped pattern plot. So let's start this. So firstly we have to import the required libraries. So here matplotlib.pyplot is used to create the plot. And now we'll define the grid size. So here this changes this for larger or smaller X shape, and this variable size determines how large the X shape will be. It represents the number of rows and columns in the pattern. And now we'll create figure and axis for the plot. So here plt.subplots creates a figure and an axis and fig size 6 by 6. This sets the size of the figure to 6 inches by 6 inches. And now we'll generate X-shaped pattern using loops. So here this loop iterates from 0 to size -1, and the first plt.plot, this plots points along the diagonal from top left to bottom right, and here I and size -1 I and I define the start and the end point of the line. So this plot points along the diagonal from bottom left to top right, where I, size -1 and -I and size -1 I define the points. And now we'll set axis limit for the plot. So this ensures that the plotted point fit well within the graph area and limits are slightly beyond the grid -1 to size to provide padding. So now we'll remove the axis for the cleaner look. So here x ticks and y ticks removes the tick marks, and ax.setFrame false removes the surrounding box. So now we'll add the title to the plot and then display it. And now at last we'll display the plot. So now we can check this. So we can see an X-shaped pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.